extreme beauty factor. Gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some.
Hey guys, it's Extreme Beauty Factor back with another video. Y'all know what time it is. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. Hey, hey, it's filming time. Y'all, do you ever get like some foundations seem like it makes your nose run? I mean, it ain't running, but it feels like it. But I just want to come on here right quick, guys, and tell y'all that I don't have any new products yet. I'm still trying to use what I got, but I don't see any. I haven't been looking at makeup in my mind, been somewhere else. But yeah, I had brought back the LA Girl Pro Mastery eyeshadow palette and doing a Valentine look for y'all guys, because y'all know January has been went by real fast, so now it's coming up Valentine's Day, so I just want to do a Valentine look for y'all guys, and here it is right here. I hope y'all guys like it. And really, that's it, guys. That's all I got to say. So I'm gonna jump right.
A faded photograph feels like 100 years ago. Life was easy then, or is it just the way the mind works? We look so bold, like the winners of the league. Don't you know we had it all those summer days? I wonder where you are and if life is good to you. Have you kept your copy from the photo booth that day? Time is a thief. It works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there, those summer days. The smell of rain on the pavement brings me to that afternoon. The way you laughed in the pouring rain.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning and waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you.
Alright guys, y'all know when there's an event, I got some content. And I'll see y'all what? In another video. Love you guys.
More than this.